Cue the lights on the world stage and enter Justin Bieber, the pop sensation who's been making waves since he was merely 14. This Canadian-bred superstar was discovered on YouTube, making his journey full circle. A master at blending pop and R&B, his debut single One Time skyrocketed him to fame, and there was no looking back. From heartthrob to controversy's child, his journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster. Bieber's discography is a testament to his evolution. His album, Purpose, marked a turning point, with lyrics reflecting a newfound maturity. And who can forget Changes, his ode to love and married life. The Biebs isn't just about music. Philanthropy is close to his heart, with outreach spanning education, health, and disaster relief. So here's to Justin Bieber, a trailblazer whose journey is a testament to resilience and reinvention. And that's your Bieber Bite for today.